So, in this topic, we will learn about the indicators. So, what is mean by indicator? See, what is mean by indicator? Indicator means the thing we help us to indicate something. That is the meaning of indicator. So, here we will see the indicator for acid and base and neutral thing also. Yes. So, you know very well, कोई भी चीज़ हमको टच करके और टेस्ट करके तो टेस्ट करना नहीं है. ये तो हमने लास्ट टॉपिक में देखा है. कोई भी चीज़ हम डायरेक्टली टच भी नहीं कर सकते और डायरेक्टली टेस्ट भी नहीं कर सकते. तो हमको कैसे पता चलेगी कि वो चीज़ एसिड है कि बेस है कि न्यूट्रल है कि वो सॉल्ट है. तो इसके लिए इंडिकेटर्स हमारे पास है. जो इंडिकेटर्स हम यूज़ करते हैं वो इंडिकेटर से हमको पता चलता है कि कौन सी चीज़ एसिडिक है, कौन सी चीज़ बेसिक है और कौन सी चीज़ न्यूट्रल है. तो वो इंडिकेटर कौन से हैं ये हम देखेंगे ये टॉपिक में. सो बिफोर दैट वी विल सी एट द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ दिस पेज वी आर सीइंग दिस चार्ट. यस, आर यू एबल टू सी दिस चार्ट? In this chart, a list is given here. Some acids and some bases are given here. So, these acids are present in natural things or in some substances which we are using. So, where these acids are, which are mentioned in, which are given in left side of that table, left column of that table, at the list of acid we are seeing. Acetic acid, formic acid, and these acid are present in which things? The list is given in right side in second column. So पहले कॉलम में क्या दिया है? एसिड की लिस्ट दी है और बेस की लिस्ट दी है नीचे. और उसके सेकंड कॉलम में क्या दिया है? वो जो एसिड और बेस है वो हम जो चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं हमारे डेली लाइफ में वो कौन से चीज़ में कौन से एसिड और कौन से बेस होते हैं वो यहाँ पर मेंशन किया है. तो वी विल सी वन बाय वन. So acetic acid, it is present in vinegar. So in vinegar there is presence of acetic acid in diluted form. Formic acid, that is present in ant sting. That's why when ant bite to us, what happen? Our skin burns. Why it burn? Because in the sting of ant, formic acid is present there, and when the ant bite, it release the formic acid inside our skin, and because of this acid we feel like burning sensation. Yes, this is the cause of burning sensation of ants bite. Yes, the next is citric acid. Citric acid is present in citrus fruit such as oranges, lemons, etc. Lactic acid is present in curd. Oxalic acid is present in spinach and also in tomato. Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, that is present in amla, citrus fruits like lemon also. Then tartaric acid is present in tamarind, grapes and unripe mango. So this is about acids. Then below that bases are given. The name of base, that is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is base, and lime water is, in lime water there is presence of calcium hydroxide. So what is mean by lime water? That I mentioned before also. So lime water means जो चूना होता है, हम चूना यूज़ करते हैं पता है बिल्डिंग पर्पज़ में या तो फिर वाइट वॉश के लिए, वॉल के लिए, कलरिंग प्रोसेस में जो चूना यूज़ करते हैं वो जो होता है उसका जो वाटर होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं लाइम वाटर. दैट इज लाइम water, and it is chemical formula is calcium hydroxide CaOH by 2. Understand? So lemon and lime is very different. Lemon is acid and lime is base. So ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is also one of the base. It is present in window cleaner or in floor cleaner also it is present. Again the next base is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. These bases are present in soap and detergent as well. Then magnesium hydroxide. It is known as milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. And this milk of magnesia, we use this milk of magnesia in antiacidic medicine. Yes. So this is about this table. So next we will go to our indicator. So what is mean by indicator? The particular substances which help us to indicate which are acids, which are bases and which are neutral in nature as well. Okay. So there are some natural indicators and some are artificial indicator, means chemical based. So first we will see natural indicators. So among that natural indicator, one very common indicator we are using in our lab also, this is litmus. So what is mean by litmus? It is a natural dye. It is a natural dye. So litmus is extract of one plant, the plant named as lichens. The lichen plant का जो extract होता है उसको निचोड़ कर जो extract निकाला जाता है उसी से वही pulp से इंडिकेटर बनाया जाता है और वही इंडिकेटर को हम लिटमस बोलते हैं. तो द एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑफ lichen plants is known as litmus. So how we can use this litmus? It is purple in color, light purple in color. So when this litmus and this litmus is also we can find in liquid state, also we can find in paper. Yes, we can use the paper strips of litmus papers. These are called litmus paper. And the solution also we are using as a litmus solution. So how it works? So when the litmus solution added in acid, so what will happen? The acid will change its color into red. The acid will change color into red. When we add one drop of acid on the litmus paper as well, but which litmus paper we have to take here? Which litmus paper we have to take here? We have to take blue litmus paper. There are two types of litmus paper. One is blue litmus paper, another is red litmus paper. So when we are using acid, so if the acid is present with us, the blue litmus will turn into red color. And when we use the red litmus and red litmus is treated with acid, there is no change in color. Yes. So for litmus solution, what will happen here? If acid is there, the solution will change in red color, and if base is there, then the solution will change in blue in color. Yes. So if we are using litmus strips, litmus papers, so there are two types of litmus paper as I mentioned. So if we are using blue litmus, so in acid blue litmus will change its color into red, and in base there will be no reaction. Then in second case, if we are using red litmus paper and base, so what will happen? Red litmus color will change its color into blue color, and blue litmus paper will know when blue litmus paper will react with base, then there will be no change in color. So what is the conclusion? For the litmus paper, blue litmus paper change into red color when acid is there, and when base is there, red litmus paper will change in blue color. So what we can say here? Blue to red acid, blue to red acid, and red to blue base, red blue base, blue red acid. Like that, in that manner we can remember it. Okay. So this is about the natural indicator litmus. In our next topic, we will see another natural indicator like turmeric indicator and rose water indicator or China rose indicator. So thank you. Here on this page we are seeing two litmus papers. So one is red litmus paper and another is blue litmus paper. It is in paper form. Yes. So these papers we are using, we can use for testing the substances whether these are acid or base. So if the substances are acidic in nature, then blue litmus paper will change its color into red color, and if the substance will be basic in nature, then the red litmus paper will change its color into blue color. Okay.